Hey everyone, it's Sumi and welcome back to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy South Indian recipe, Lemon Sevai or lemon vermicelli. It's light, it's bright and feels like a promise of summer, so let's get cooking. For this I have 150 grams of dried rice vermicelli. You can find this at any Asian grocery store. I'm going to soak my rice vermicelli in hot water for 5 minutes. You can follow the instructions on your package. While that's happening, here I have a pan on medium-high heat to which I'm adding a tablespoon of cooking oil. Once that's hot, I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds and I'm going to wait for it to splutter. Once my seeds start spluttering, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of urad dal or white lentils, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, and I'm going to mix this till it gets to a light golden reddish brown color. At this point, I'm going to add a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 finely chopped high green chilies. You can adjust this according to your taste, 1 dry Kashmiri red chili that I'm breaking into 2 to release its flavor, and 8 to 10 curry leaves. I forgot to add hing, but you can add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida as well. I'm going to mix all my ingredients really well till they get all nice and toasty and the lentils turn to a deep reddish brown color, at which point I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook for 30 to 45 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down, and by this time my vermicelli should be cooked as well, so I'm going to strain that and set it aside. To the cool down mixture, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We can always add more later for a more intense lemony flavor. And I'm going to add in the strained vermicelli. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked, it's not mushy, so it's really important to follow the instructions on your package. I'm going to salt to taste and mix this really well till the yellow color is completely homogeneous. It's also really important to cool down your mixture before adding in your lemon juice so your sevai doesn't get bitter. I'm going to finish by garnishing with chopped cilantro. You can also add roasted peanuts for an extra crunch. You can have your lemon sevai as is as a light snack, paired with some poriyals and South Indian stews for a complete meal, or have it with tea or coffee for a refreshing breakfast. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and please like and subscribe for more vegan Indian dishes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!